we progress in every application. With the power of technology to create a new market standard for a colorful world. Airtac has been deeply devoted to the linear guide industry for many years, continuously investing in R&D and equipment, in striving to provide customers with better quality linear guide solutions. Airtac has a total of 8,611,000 square feet of production plant area, including 2,800,000 square feet at our first Ningbo production base, 3,875,000 square feet at our second Ningbo production base, and 1,938,000 square feet at our Tainan production base. The total investment is over $428 million. Daily output of rails can reach 12,000 meters and up to 30,000 blocks. At present, our R&D team has over 420 people and has obtained 171 major technology patents. With the power of technology, we make the process more intelligent, form a standardized production system, and have corresponding detection mechanisms at each manufacturing stage. Induction hardening treatment of rails. We adopt the world-class high-frequency induction hardening technology with the three-stage heat treatment process: preheating, heat treatment, quenching, and digital intelligent control to make the surface temperature of the rail rise evenly and rapidly, to reduce internal stress and improve rigidity and hardness. We drill 10 holes simultaneously during one process to effectively reduces the cumulative area of the hole distances on the linear guide. We adopt the three-side simultaneous grinding with the support of the automatic balance compensation technology of the grinding wheel. The shape and dimensional tolerance of the product can be effectively guaranteed. Tampering by normalizing, which makes the structure more uniform, finer, and can release internal stress. the blocks are treated by German-made Epson carburizing equipment. It can accurately control the carburizing potential and control the stability of the quenching temperature. Makes the hardened layer deep and with superb consistency so that the carburized surface has higher hardness, wear resistance, and fatigue strength, while the core maintains good toughness and plasticity. Combined with the liquid nitrogen cryogenic treatment, the residual austenite in the block after carburizing can be converted to martensite, and the grain structure can be refined to provide impact toughness and tensile strength. Block from Grinding adopts professional block grinding equipment. The German-made main axis grinder has an automatic wheel dressing and an automatic balance compensation function. Japanese-made diamond dressing wheel has excellent dimensional stability. Key parts such as injection molded parts and rubber parts are all made in-house. We rely on automated assembly lines of our own development and design to reduce manual error in the process. The fundamental purpose is to improve assembly efficiency and accuracy to guarantee product consistency to the extreme. When we inspect the rails and blocks, we categorize them into 3 mu per level. We are able to achieve 3 kinds of preload: standard clearance, light preload, and medium preload. Before the product is put into production, we will conduct detailed inspection and verification on them. Through the actual lifespan testing, our linear guide shows an excellent result, with the service life equal to 21 times around the Earth. Take the LSH25 series as an example. At speed of 1 meter per second, it can provide accurate movement for 27 years. With excellent product performance and a delicate service model, we have a deep cooperation with numerous enterprises domestically and overseas, from communication to building trust. We sell our linear guides to all regions of the world. Step by step, we build up the team value, deeply devoted to research and development of linear guide technology, while constantly innovating more efficient and more stable product solutions, so as to truly make the brand reflect the future of the industry. Quality transmission, reconstructing the power of technology.